Hi, in this quick tip tutorial, we will learn how to use the expert mode plus the command panel. The expert mode, you can access it by using the combination Control Alt X. This will give you a larger room to work with. But if you like to have the command panel in addition to the expert mode, you can right click here, choose command panel. You can drag it and place it here if you like, or here in the default position. To get out from the expert mode, it's also Control Alt X. If you use it again, you will have to bring back the command panel like this. So that's it for this quick tip tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.